to another video. Today we have Milwaukee string trimmers, OPE equipment deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Back to review videos. That's the way to choose the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So as we see here, these are some of the deals we used to have before, but I just want to put everything together so you guys would see all the OPE from Milwaukee. You got $229 for the string trimmer with the quick lock. That's not a deal here. But if you guys look here, every time you're getting the percentage here, that's when you're getting the deal. So this one's 25%. You're saving 25%. You're getting the pole saw attachment. You're getting, let's see here. How big is this battery here? It doesn't say. Can't see the size of the battery. That's what I hit about these. Alright, where's the battery? 8 amp hour battery. Alright. So you're getting an 8. You're getting an 8 string trimmer. So this is definitely a great deal for that. But you know what? This is what made me do this video. This deal here. This one's a killer deal. It's the blower. It's an 8 amp hour battery, a charger, and a string trimmer. Well, this is the string trimmer with the quick lock attachment. So $358, guys. That's a really good deal. Check this one out. So from $399, this one costs $399. But look, if you guys look here, this is unbelievably cheaper. So $40 cheaper than this. So definitely check it out. This is a really good deal. I'll leave the link to all this down below in the description section. I think that's the best deal for all of these. This is a really good deal too. It includes all the attachments, the edger attachment trimmer, the trimmer, and the pole saw, and then the string trimmer there for $439. You're getting all that. That's a really good deal. This is sold out. $249 just for the string trimmer and the battery. This is a pretty good deal too. But on this one you are getting, I believe, a battery and a charger. So for $100 more, you're getting a battery and a charger. This one's just bare tool. Remember, guys, this one's bare tool. This one, if you want to pay $100 more, you're gonna get a battery and a charger for that. So that's a pretty good deal too. You got a string trimmer, $229. All right, this was a pretty good deal too. You got a string trimmer and a edge trimmer attachment, a battery charger. All right, this one, I guess it is a deal. It's not the best deal, but it's only 16%, as it says right there. 27%. I said above 25%. I think that's a really good deal. Let's see here. Let's see if there's any more. So $399 for that. $629. $769. $629. So this one's not too bad. I mean, it's not the best, but 21%. This one's 22%. So I would say, yeah, I would say this one's a pretty good deal, because if you put it this way, this one's $299 by itself. So you're paying $90 for this, basically, if you want to put it that way. Same thing with this. You are getting a 5 amp hour battery. You're getting a $299. Yeah, this one's 26%. So you're getting 2 batteries, a chainsaw, a string trimmer, and a charger with this one. Let's see here. Let's see if there's any more. Let me know in the comment section how you guys like this string trimmer. I do have this blower, but not the string trimmer. So let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about these tools. If you have any of these attachments. This was $885. Alright, let's see if there's any on the second page. Here, let's see here. Alright, so $349 for this. Not too bad. So you're paying about $170 for each tool. This one's $1,000. That's way too much. Let's see here. I'm looking for the discounts here. I'm not really seeing any more discounts. All right, so this one's pretty good because you're getting the switch tank, I know a lot of you guys don't like the switch tank. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys heard anything good, anything bad. If you guys have the tool, if it leaks or if it doesn't leak. Some of you are saying that it does leak. I don't know from where, but anyways, but this is a pretty good deal because this by itself is $2.99. So you're getting this for $120. All right, so let's see what else is down here. Nothing that catches my attention here. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep going, guys. The first ones were the best deals. Definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below to the description in the description section to this section. If you guys want to get any of the deals, get them. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.